Hi, this is John with WTI. And for me to keep a fresh smell, even while I'm on vacations or in the go, it's so important. And this is where this Tic Tacs have been a major opportunity for me. Why? Because this mint Tic Tacs that are really strong and they go really hard on your breath, they're gonna give you the sensation of a clean, nice, fresh smell that whenever you're gonna be asking for direction, like it was me, I was asking for different places, like how can I get here, how can I get there, and the fact that I was having this peace of mind that I could speak to other people and not being scared if I have a funny smell because I haven't been back to the place that I was staying for a good time is a good thing. The convenience, put it in my pocket, put it in my little bag that I could go anywhere, just pop a couple of these guys before I even talk to other people. And this is pretty good. The taste, awesome. It's gonna be really minty, really strong, and it's overall a great sensation. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of